Hello everyone, welcome to EduNexus, game-changing decentralized platform that's reshaping how scholarships and grants are being managed currently. It's built on the Open Campus EDU chain. EduNexus brings transparency, fairness, and efficiency to the scholarship and grant world. In this quick demo, I'll show you how EduNexus makes it easier for students to apply for scholarships and organizations to manage them, all powered with the security of blockchain. So, this is me here. I'm Tanish Gupta. I have developed this project solely by myself. Was the about page, and if you have any queries or anything, you can contact with us by coming on the website and clicking on contact page. Then you will be able to see our mail here. You can mail us or drop a message here. The interesting part of the website comes here on the partner page where you can register yourself, and after you are verified, you will be able to list scholarships and manage the applications and provide accordingly. Now let's dive deeper into the admin panel to see how everything works. Let's connect with the admin panel. After you click on login, you get a MetaMask pop-up and you can select the account from which we want to access the website with. After you click the login button and you select the address, if you are registered with us, then you will be directly transported to the dashboard. And if you are not, you will come here on the register page. Here you can enter your name, your role, like whether you're a student or organization, and your email ID, then register, and basically then you will be registered with us. So as this is an admin account, I'll just click on the dashboard. I don't need to register. And as soon as we click on the dashboard, then we are able to see the stats on the admin panel here, like how many applications have been submitted, how many students have registered with us, how many organizations have registered with us, and the scholarships which have been created as of now. So here's the verify organizations component. Like after an organization registers with us, they directly can't post a scholarship. They first have to get themselves verified, and we can enter their address and verify here. The work of the admin to prevent any spams or anything. Then we have the grant role functionality. We just need to enter the user address and provide them with the admin or organization role, basically to create new admins. Then we have get organization scholarship. If we enter the any organization's profile, for example, I'll enter the one I was testing with. Let's enter it here and get scholarships. So as you can see, this is the scholarship they created. So we are able to fetch it here. Then we have profiles. We can just enter the same address and get profile. And as I verified this profile, it is showing yes. Otherwise, normally it shows no when the profile hasn't been verified. And their email ID, their role. Then through this, we can verify whether an organization has the required role or not. Let's check role, and user has the role, but let's check for admin. They don't have the role. So this is how you can verify a role. And through this, you can revoke any role. Like if you don't want them to any organization, they have been doing some sus stuff, so we can revoke the role and they will be removed from our website. So this is it for the admin panel. We can log out from here. Let's log into the interesting stuff on the organization dashboard. Let's connect to that. All right. So this is how the organization dashboard looks. Profile section. Have they been verified, their email, their role, etc. this is how the create scholarship looks like. You can just enter an amount, the description, the category, the start date, end date, the maximum number of people who can avail the scholarship, and the requirements. You can add as many and remove them also and click on create. Then we are able to deactivate a scholarship also. This only works if the scholarship has been created by the organization that created it. Just enter the ID and deactivate. Then we have the update functionality. Enter the scholarship ID, description, new end date, and the new amount of maximum number of people that can access the scholarship. Then we have approve application button. So basically from here we can fetch the applications that a person has applied. Like suppose we have a scholarship ID, we enter it here, and all the applicants who have applied to it, their applications will come up here. Then we have the approve and reject functionality. Once a organization approves an application, the funds are directly sent to the student's address whose application has been approved. So basically how this works is when the organization creates a scholarship, they have to pay the amount into the maximum approvals they're giving, and that amount is loaded into the smart contract. And as soon as they approve it, that amount is released into the applicant's address. Then they have reject application. They can simply reject if they don't like or the profile of the person doesn't suit to them. Then here's applicant address. So basically here they can fetch the person who has applied for the scholarship, their profile. And last but not the least, withdraw unused funds. So basically the organization, if the organization creates a scholarship, for example, they created a scholarship for 0.2 EDU, which we have created as a test for now, and one person avails it, 0.1 EDU left in the smart contract, and the scholarship's date was from yesterday to today, and today the scholarship has ended, and they don't want to extend the end date of the scholarship, so they can simply enter the scholarship ID they created here and then withdraw funds. Click on withdraw funds. The funds will directly come back to their wallet. And fetch applications, as I've already told you about it. Let's log out from here now and come to our MetaMask. Let's connect the student profile. Let's click on login and student profile. This is the login page. Let's confirm on MetaMask. So this is the student dashboard. As you can see, they have been verified or not. No, their email, role, and name, everything. So here is the view scholarship section. So basically any scholarship that is created by any of the organizations that comes under available scholarships. This is the ID which it has been given, the description, the amount, the project, start date, end date, maximum number of approvals they accept, current approvals one. It has been listed by this organization, as you are able to see. This was the account we previously logged into. Their name, their email. If they have any queries, they can reach out to the organization directly from here. Then they can apply for the scholarship here. Basically, if they enter scholarship ID and the reason, they can apply for it. Then we are able to view the applied scholarships, the scholarship for which the student has applied for. That is visible here. Then if, for example, this student gets the scholarship, they can enter the scholarship ID. They can then they are able to enter the feedback and enter the rating on a scale of 1 to 5. They're able to submit the feedback and rate with for other people to avail the scholarship. So basically, this is just the simple implementation of the project I've created. Let's come on to the Open Campus Block Scout. This is the smart contract. This is the address at which it is deployed. And this is a smart contract basically which we have created. I have implemented enable access control and retency guard for security purposes so that no one is able to hack the funds inside and a lot of other things. This is the admin address through which we were accessing the admin panel. Then the logs are also listed here and everything, like who accessed what feature. I'll show you the transactions, like basically we created this contract, then a user registered, another user registered, and I registered a few users on this contract. So you're able to see all the addresses here. Then we verified the organization. After that, we created a scholarship through that organization. Then we updated the organization for this. The student applied for it. His application was approved. So this is the history of the transactions we have done with it so far. You can play around with the application yourself by just logging in, register, and everything. You can check it out by yourself now. So this was it for the project demo. Thank you. Have a great day.